Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be unboxing another product which is Dji Osmo mobile free combo gimbal. Hope you will enjoy this video and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. This is the gimbal combo. Very nicely packed, very nice handy bag. This is the stand for the gimbal. You can see. And what is that inside? Tripod stand which you can fit it here just like this, and it goes like a tripod, and now you can use the gimbal. And let's see what more inside. So this is the hand stripe, and this is basically the cover for the protection of this gimbal. This gimbal comes up with a USB-C charger which comes in most of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, Note 10 or other high-end models, and it will go here for the charging. That's the end of the unboxing, and this is a gimbal with the tripod. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.